Hello friends, welcome to Java2D tutorial. Now we are starting a new sub-series, and in this sub-series we will learn how to draw a curve using Java2D APIs. So you will learn what is control point and what is a QuadCurve2D and how to use the setCurve method. QuadCurve2D class implements the quadratic curve. So this is the class from Java2D, and it's useful to draw the quadratic curve. The curve will be drawn using a line and a control point. So we know that to draw a line we need 2 points. Then to draw a curve there is one more point that is needed, and we call that as a control point. Both the ends of the lines are fixed. That means, let's say if this is the line, these two ends are fixed, and control point defines how the curve will be represented. Say for example, here I am representing the line in dotted line here. So this is point 1 and point 2 on your line, and this one will be the control point. So you can see how the control point defines the curve. Suppose if control point is here, let's assume this is CP2, or we can still say CP1, and if control point is here, then since the ends of the lines are fixed, the line or the curve will be drawn like this. So the control point decides how the curve will be drawn. In this example, we will draw quadratic curve. Now we will go ahead and set up the WindowBuilder plugin for Eclipse. This will be useful when we are proceeding with the next coming videos. So let us set up the WindowBuilder. It's a plugin in Eclipse which will help in designing the user interfaces. And in the next video, we will go ahead with drawing the quadratic curve. Here, for demo purpose, we opened the Eclipse for Java EE. So this is the version of Eclipse Neon we used to generate the EJP projects. So here I will show how to install WindowBuilder. So under the help menu, click on Eclipse Marketplace. Then under the search you have to type WindowBuilder. And here it will show WindowBuilder 1.9.8. So this will be useful to design SWT as well as swing components. So you have to click install. It may take some time, and once the installation is finished you can restart your Eclipse. Alright, now let me close the Eclipse Neon. Here is a Java2D workspace. At this time I am launching Eclipse Oxygen because here I already installed WindowBuilder. it may take some time. So I typed WindowBuilder and then clicked go, and here if you see it is already installed. So once you click install, with a proper internet connection, the component will get installed, or plugin will get installed for the current version of Eclipse. And after that you can click file, exit, and restart the Eclipse. Now let me right click here and choose new, other. Here you can see WindowBuilder, and after the installation of WindowBuilder you will see a separate node for WindowBuilder, and the components are arranged in two subfolders, Swing Designer and SWT Designer. In Swing Designer, if you expand it, you can see all the swing related top level container. So for example, if I click JFrame, test del, so here you can see the skeleton code is developed. Once you click on the design tab, the WindowBuilder will prepare the UI. Double clicking it here, and you can see it shows the form designer, and you can see all the controls here in the palette. So the controls are arranged in different subfolder. When I click component, I can see all the swing related component. You can simply drag and drop the component. So for example, so here I'm clicking the label. So this one is actually having the border layout, and if you want to change that, click escape, then click on the content pane, and here we are seeing border layout, right? You can change the layout to any layout. Here I am using absolute layout. Absolute layout means you can position control freely anywhere on the form. Now I'm placing the J label here. So likewise you can design the form. Here if you see, it just placed username, this is a label control, then I placed a text field. So it almost look similar to what we saw in the NetBeans IDE. So NetBeans IDE provides inbuilt designer. Here we can install the plugin called WindowBuilder, and based on the WindowBuilder you can generate the code. Now here the name is a text field, right, variable. Say for example, here I am changing it as TF user name. So the name got changed, and once I go to source view, you can see text field username which got created. So this is the name we gave, variable name, right? Then set bounds, this one is because of absolute layout. Then the text field is added to the content pane. Content pane is nothing but a JPanel which is added to the JFrame. So the window builder will generate the skeleton code for us, and you can make use of it. So you can see the declaration is in the top portion. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.